Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Ann, and if you're not, welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup related videos, and we are finally going to be unboxing the Allure Beauty Box for June. Allure Beauty Box is a monthly beauty / makeup subscription. It costs us $21 a month. I believe that's the price. It used to be cheaper. They raised it. You are supposed to be guaranteed 2 to 3 full-size products. I'm always on the fence about this since the price went up, because sometimes I don't feel like, you're really getting your money's worth, because I try to think of, like, compared to Ipsy Plus, BoxyCharm. So, like, comparing it, it doesn't really add up to what you get from them. So, here's the inside of the box from the beauty experts. I do think they know what they're talking about, but the sample size of skincare and stuff like that, so when you're comparing them now, since they raised their price, which is more like, kind of like the little Ipsy bag for $12, or the regular bag, so you can compare it to them, and it would like equaled out. But now, since you have to compare it to the Plus and the BoxyCharm, when you get a deluxe size sample of skincare, or if it's like little itty bitty, it really doesn't add up, because it does take at least 6 weeks, to tell if skincare is working for you. So I just think with the price that they should have really just raised it like BoxyCharm and Ipsy Plus and stuff like that. So you always get a little pamphlet in here. It's got an advertisement for mascara magic extension. I hope that's in there, but I doubt it. Then you got another one, tools of the trade. There's a lot to unpack, tips from our editor to help you get the most of your products in your beauty box. Okay, so this is telling you about brushes, and right here is the brushes. They diagnose dark circles. Prep your under eye with moisturizing eye cream to help prevent crease and create a smooth canvas. If you wear foundation, tap a little under the eyes for extra coverage, which we all do anyway. Grab the LR, which is the LaRousse LR 100 brush from your set. Let's just look at these really fast. These are made in China. They are LaRousse. I have tried this brand from Ipsy first, and then from BoxyCharm. Their brushes are alright. They're not like my favorite. They are expensive, but they're not like something I would write home about. But they will do the job. So, the first one is the LR 105. It's a short shader brush, shadow. I do like that, especially like a brush like that. I would either pat something on or smudge under my eye, or do like right in here. So we got a little blending brush. This one is their LR 100 oh, that's a concealer brush. I didn't blend it. It's flat. Okay, I got it. And what I would do with this is about the same thing. Either right here, cut my crease, not my crease, or yeah, I'd cut my crease with something like this. I would put shadows on with this too, or to lay a little bit of on them light days, put a little concealer right there, cut your brows. Then you have this angle brush, and this is their LR 008 angle shading. So what I would do with this brush is right here under the eye, especially right in here where it all meets up, to really just get especially if I want it sharp. So I would use that for that, or like just to deepen this right in here, or just smudge out right here. So I do like them, but these go with the set that I already got. I have them that's got the same design, so these fit in perfect. Okay, our next item is by Orb. And this is their Flash Foam Finishing Spray Wax. Finishing Spray Wax. We did get 30 milliliters, which is 0.85 float ounces. And I know Orb makes skincare, so I don't think it's some kind of like wax. Shake and Spray onto dry hair. Use brush to style until you look. So this is just a finishing spray. Like when you, right before you get your hair done, go ahead and spray it. Put your hair the way you want it, and it's supposed to stay. We will like. It smells, hair stuff always smells. Okay, so our next item is Focus. Is by ESPA. It's a natural beauty intercom clarifying clay mask, mineral mask, 30 milliliters, 1.0 flow ounce. It's the purifying mask to balance and deep cleanse your skin. The latest cute. Okay. I'm trying to make sure I don't get nothing in my mouth. So there it is. It's just a clay mask. I kind of like it better the way it looks and feels. It's not as like my other clay mask. It does smell good. I don't know. I about wiped it all in. I don't know if it'll dry down like a regular clay mask and like get all cruddy and falling off. So I do like that. I think taking care of your skin should be one of the major things you do. A lot of people worries about getting their makeup and stuff like that on and spending maybe a little bit more money on their makeup. And I think, you know, that is good if that's what you like, but you should always consider your skin is what's going to make your makeup look good, and we have to live with the skin for the rest of our life. So always try to take care of it, moisturize it, tone it, do the little things. Eye cream is a wonder. I don't think you're ever too young to start. I always told my sister that, and she started earlier off and on, and then she quit. And now she's like 30 and she's like, my skin is horrible. And she's like, you was right. Always do your skincare. It ain't really that bad though. So, I was going to open this and not talk about it. Okay, this is Skin & Company. Roma. Now, I've tried a lot of their products. This is Truffle Therapy Whipped Polishing Cleanser Cream with Truffle Extract. It's a whipped cleansing cream made in Italy. 100 milliliters, which is 3.38 flow ounces. And it is suitable for all skin types. It's cruelty free. It's good for 12 months. It's got 0% of sulfate parabens, mineral oils, and all that stuff. It's got black truffle extract and sweet almond oil. It's a powerhouse cleanser. It's full of essential fatty acids and delivers intense hydration while improving your skin resilience and tone. Okay. So see, everything can work together. You can get foundation that's good for your skin. If you don't want to, like, I think everybody should do moisturizer. That's like a #1 thing I think everybody should do. But make sure it's for your skin type, because some of us is oily, some of us is like dry, over dried, and some people's got sensitive skin. So always like get stuff that is for your skin. Me, I'm not oily and I'm not dried. I can get, if I don't use my moisturizer, I will get a little dry, or I can use like retinol will make me a little dry, but I just keep moisturizer on and I do really good. So here it is. It smells wonderful. I like it. I like the feeling of it. Ain't really nothing wrong. It is a cleanser, so I do like that. Okay. Dong Inba. I'm butchering that name. I know I am. $18.99. This is $18.99 single essence. Gift from the root. It is got Chinese writing, and I cannot read it, so in here. So this, or this could be Korean. It could be Korean skincare. Or I don't know what it is. So it is a single essence. So is it like, oh, essence, okay. So it is skincare. So it is a really cute bottle though. Let's talk about that. That is cute. I like it. With skincare, I do like to shake it up. So it is essence. I do this after a toner. It's got a little bit of a smell, nothing like overpowering. I got eyeshadow on my arm, but I'm excited to try it. I love Korean skincare. They make some of the best. So, oh, and look, I didn't even look at that lid. Orb always has like cute packaging. Okay, we are on our last product, and this is Tea Tree Relief Lab Coast. So this is Derma Mask, Tea Tree, cruelty-free, paraben-free, salty-free. It's TMF cell sheet. So this is for relief. That's probably what I need right now. My skin really like where I've been getting sunburnt. But I do keep like aloe vera on my skin. And then I try to make sure I put my face sunscreen on and sunscreen everywhere. But I still got sunburnt because I forgot for a couple days. Okay. And it is recyclable. So that is it. Let's get the little book. See if we got our money's worth. We did get... Let me lay everything out here. In the brushes. The brushes, I'm going to say, is full size. And the face cream, the rest of it, I think, is deluxe. Because I think stuff like this, you can get 5, 10, sometimes more in a box. So, I'm looking at, like, we got 2 full-size products. Okay. So, the brushes are, like I said, I already knew these was expensive. The LaRousse three-piece brush set is retailed for $84, but I knew that, or I knew it was going to be up there around $90, because I have received them before. I would not buy them brushes for $84, I'll be honest, because they're not my favorite brushes, but they are good brushes. They're just not like the quality, right where I want them to be. The clay mask is, a full size is $34. Let me see. And it actually might be full size. This doesn't tell. Okay, so this is supposed to be full size. Okay, so the Dong Inba, I don't know, the $18.99 single essence. This is a sample size, and a full size of it would be 70 milliliters. It is retailed for $54.99 for the full size. Okay, I knew this was not full size because I've got ordered full size products. The full size of it is $42, and the full size is 4.2 ounces. Okay, and this is full size, and it is retailed for $35. So, when you get here, it's like you could have got like one or the other. They've got 3 different things you could have got. I got the tea tree $4 for one, so I guess this is like a full size. Or you could have got the Erno Lasso Multitask Eye Mask, which 16 for 2 masks. Or you could have got the Win face sheet, the last choice, $5 for one. So, and that is it. The box is good. I do like the SN. I do wish it would have been full size, because that's something like I normally use. I use face wash too, and I do like a good face mask. The hair stuff, it's probably better for me to get something like this that is deluxe size, because I'm not very crazy about putting stuff in my hair. Anybody that's been with me a while knows I don't really like use hairspray or gels or mousse or anything like that in my hair. I do use like a leave-in something to soften my hair, and that's about it. So there's some hair primers I use, and then there's like a leave-in mask that like a leave-in conditioner or something like that. I don't like to weigh my hair down. My hair just does not like that stuff. It just makes it, like right now I tried a new leave-in conditioner and I don't know how I feel about it. It makes my hair look, I have more on the drier side hair, and normally my hair looks more drier. And as soon as I put anything in it, my hair looks greasy. No matter what, I can put a little bit in. So I gotta be very careful about what I do. And I think I put too much of the hair mask in that it doesn't really look greasy. I try to comb it out the best I could, but I'm just very careful about what I put in my hair, because I don't want greasy looking hair, even though I wash it all the time. And I will leave the link down below if anybody'd like to try Allure Beauty Box for themselves. And I guess that is it. And thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. And before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Would love for you to stick around and ring that bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. And I guess that's it. Bye for now.